Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern Eid Adha Poster Design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Prompt of this image is mentioned in the description. Adjust it on the artboard. Go to the Object Selection tool, and click on Center Area. Adjust its selection manually. Go to the Select menu, and choose Inverse. Then press Ctrl+J for Duplicate Copy. Hide subject layer, select image layer. And place the cow image. Prompt of this image is also mentioned in the description. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Do some manual selection if it's need. Then add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+T, right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. And adjust its position. Press Ctrl+J for Duplicate Copy. And drag it at the top of subject layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. And unhide the layer. Add a layer mask to it. Go to the Brush tool. Use these settings. And remove the extra part. Place the other image. Link of this image is mentioned in the description. Make a selection of this image also. And follow me here. Now, create an exposure adjustment layer. Click on Clip icon, and set its exposure to -0.61. Create a vibrance adjustment layer. Click on Clip icon, and set its exposure to 32. And add Curves adjustment layer. Adjust its settings. Then create a blank layer. Go to the Brush tool. And apply it like this. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all to change its font. I am using Berkshire Swash font. And type other text. and I am using Bright Sunshine font here. Select both layers, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click and choose Perspective. And drag it from the corners. Open Blending Options. Go to Underlying Layers. Hold Alt key, and break this point and adjust it. Type other text. Follow me. Place the leaves here. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.